Hey guys, what is up? It's JJ Tech here, back again for another video. And today we've got the Razer Kraken Pro V2 gaming headset here. And if you guys didn't check out my last video, which is me basically unboxing these headsets and my first impressions, definitely do so. I'll leave the link down below to these headsets in the description box so you guys can check them out for yourselves. And I'll also leave the link to my previous video, like I said, of me unboxing these headsets. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to go over three categories. I'm going to go over comfort, style, sound, and also sound quality. So let's call that 4 categories. And I'm also going to go over some of my dislikes and likes of the headsets, but that's, I'm going to separate that away from these 4 categories. I'm going to do that after I do the 4 categories. So first up, I'm going to go over comfort, which is probably one of the most important things when you're gaming, especially when you're doing long sessions. You don't want your ears to start hurting or your head. So when I did have these for a little bit over a week, it was about a week that I've had these headsets. And I'm going to give a really good impression. I really like these headsets. The comfort on these is insane, at least to me. And before I get actually started, all these is my personal opinion, so you guys could think something different, but what I'm going to say is my personal opinion. So yeah, comfort is pretty great. I definitely liked it. I like that it's an over-ear design, so it goes all the way over your ears, and it doesn't strain your ears when you're doing long gaming sessions. And also on the top here, I do wish it did have a little bit more padding up here, but my head didn't hurt whatsoever. Maybe just once, but that was pretty much it. That was when I was starting to adapt to these headsets. Now I'm gonna go over the sound quality, and sound quality, like I said, is another important thing to care about when you're buying a gaming headset, other than comfort. This is another big thing that you need, especially when you need a game that focuses more on, let's say, the game, or when it focuses more on the subject or the object, and you need headsets to be able to hear that. So these are the headsets for you guys. The sound is incredible. Compared to my Power A headsets, these are so much better, like on a different level of better. And I personally think these are really good. I would use these over the Power A's anytime, definitely. So sound quality, I'm going to give that a pass. That sound quality was probably the best things about the headset. Another thing I'm going to go over is the mic quality, which is another more important thing, that especially when you're talking to friends or just when you're using it as a headset, it's really important for people to be able to hear you really clear. And I did play with my friends, and I asked them how the quality was like, if it was good or not, and they told me it was great. And I mean, that's kind of the only way you can tell if these are good or not. And I did ask them, and they said it sounded much better than the Power A's that I had, which is the one I used to use. But now I use these, and they said the quality is much improved on these headphones. So yeah, the sound quality, the mic quality, turns out to be pretty good. And one thing that I do like about these that those don't have, the Power A's, is that these, you can just, when you're not using them, just slide them back in. When you are using them, just pull them right out. The other ones had a detachable one, which is still pretty good, but this is just so much better. Now, another thing is design. Now, design is another thing that a lot of people care about. This is a really simple design. It's just black. If you're really simple, then get a black. But the design, I like it. I like the simplistic design. I don't like that it's usually a lot of gaming headsets are like crazy with all these designs on it, and like it glows and all that stuff. I don't really like that too much. I like that it has just a more simplistic design to kind of not give away that this is a gaming headset specifically, which you can also use this for other stuff, like your phone. It's not just a gaming headset. So yeah, the design, I'm going to give this a pass as well. I like that it is metal, so it is a really premium headset. Metal around these sides right here, and everything else this is also metal. The inside is metal, and we have some really nice leather. I'm not quite sure if it's real leather, but I'm pretty sure it is. So design, I'm gonna give that a pass. Now I'm gonna go over the stuff I dislike and like about these headsets. Now I'm gonna go over the dislikes of these headsets. Now I don't know if you can see, but this is where you can control your volume and to mute your mic. So I dislike this because on my Power A's, I know I keep comparing the Power A's, these to the Power A's because they're very similar. But one thing that I did not like about this too much is that the mute switch is on this control. So you kind of just switch it up, switch it down. And you kind of don't really know when it's muted or not. You kind of really have to just guess. And on my Power A's, it's just a button on the back. You just press, and you can really tell because you would hear the click of the button. On this, you don't really hear that. You kind of have to look down and just try to find out if it's muted or not. Now the volume control, I do like it. It is pretty normal. And like I said, the mic thing is, I think, maybe because I'm just not used to it, but that's something I really don't like about it. But it's really fine. Everything else is great, so maybe I'm just nitpicking there. But yeah. Now, a lot of stuff I do like is, obviously, like I said, all those stuff, the sound design and all that. Obviously, I like that. I like that a lot. Those are all the likes that I like. And, oh, another thing that I dislike is that it's wired, which is not a bad thing whatsoever. It's just, at this price point, I would at least be expecting wireless, but it's totally fine, I understand, but that's pretty much it. Yeah, other than that, that's pretty much all I have for the review. If I missed anything, definitely feel free to comment that in the comment section down below. If I missed anything important about these headsets, I don't want to do a too long review because, well, I don't want to make it too long. And that's pretty much all I have for the headsets. I don't really have anything else to show off here. Oh, and in case you guys are wondering, no, this does not have any noise canceling, which is expected at this price point. But other than that, that's pretty much it for my review on the Razer Kraken Pro V2 headsets. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Like I said, I'll drop the link to these bad boys down below. I'll also drop the link to my previous video of the unboxing of these headsets as well, so you guys can check it out. So yeah, guys, thanks again for watching this video. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe down below the big red button. Definitely appreciate it. We have been going up in subscribers, so I definitely appreciate you guys for subscribing. And also don't forget to smash the like button down below. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Peace.